We go outside and we eat in the tent for lunch, things like that. We're fortunate we have the space to do that. Just self-care that we do with the children and families and ourselves as well. I love NorQuest. They've been so supportive of us as a childcare center, and just being able to work together, the support, the encouragement, and that doesn't come with many partnerships, so that's been wonderful. It's peace of mind for everybody else, and as an association, that's just who we are. It's a matter of just doing everything we can as our part to ensure that community is taken care of and given back to as much as we can.